Hey there, welcome to Models and Agents for Beginners, episode 62. It's June 5th, 2026. Let's break down today's coolest AI news so anyone can understand it. Let's go. So imagine you have a friend who keeps forgetting the details you told them yesterday. That is exactly the problem OpenAI just fixed with a new memory system for ChatGPT. The system now tracks important details automatically instead of waiting for you to remind it every single time. Think of it like a notebook that writes itself while you talk, highlighting the useful parts without you lifting a pen. OpenAI also doubled the amount of memory available, so longer projects stay organized across many conversations. This matters because most people use AI for homework, stories, or plans that stretch over several days. When the AI forgets what you shared before, it feels like starting from scratch every morning. With better memory, it can build on your earlier ideas and give suggestions that actually fit your style. For students, that could mean an AI remembering your writing habits and helping improve them across assignments. For creators, it could track themes you like in art or videos without you repeating them. The rollout started today for ChatGPT Plus and Pro users in the US. To try it, open the ChatGPT app on your phone, make sure it is updated, and start a conversation about something you care about. Ask it to remember details like your favorite subjects or a project you are working on. Then check back tomorrow to see what it recalls on its own. Okay, now for my favorite part of the show, the deep dive, where we look under the hood. You know how when you are texting a friend, your phone remembers the last few messages so the conversation makes sense? Now picture the AI keeping a running notebook of everything important you have said across many chats, not just the last few lines. It looks for patterns like, this person always asks about science homework on weeknights, or they are building a story about dragons. Then it uses that notebook to make future answers fit what it already knows about you. The system does not store every single word forever. It picks out the useful parts the same way you might highlight key sentences in your notes instead of copying the whole textbook. And that is basically how the new memory feature works. Not so mysterious, right? Next up, cool stuff and try this. OpenAI shared the story of one of their models finding a counterexample to a famous math problem unsolved since the 1940s. Researchers worked with the AI to explore the problem step by step, showing how humans and models can team up on real discoveries. This proves AI can help push the boundaries of math and science, not just answer homework questions. If you love puzzles or want to see how future scientists might work, listen to the full conversation on the OpenAI podcast. Search for the episode titled, How a Reasoning Model Cracked an 80-Year-Old Conjecture on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, or YouTube. A team in Egypt just released Horus Lens 1.0, their first text-to-image model made locally. It is part of a bigger effort to grow AI tools in the region and shows that cool AI work is happening all over the world. The model focuses on generating images from descriptions, and early examples look promising for creative projects. If you enjoy making art or experimenting with visuals, check out the announcement and sample images shared on Reddit in the artificial community. Time for quick bits, the rapid-fire stories you do not want to miss. A passenger discovered that the music an Uber driver was blasting came entirely from Suno, an AI music tool. The driver had no idea and still loved the songs after finding out, which shows how quickly AI creative tools are blending into everyday life. Several leading universities in South Korea are now covering the paid version of ChatGPT for their students. This highlights how access to better AI tools could affect learning opportunities depending on where you study. That's it for today. Remember, every AI expert started exactly where you are right now. If something we talked about today made you curious, go try it. That's literally how learning works. Stay curious, keep experimenting, and we'll see you tomorrow. And if you'd rather watch than listen, find us on YouTube at Nara Network. Links in the show notes. And before you go, this show is part of the Nara Network, a family of daily podcasts covering tech, science, markets, and more. If you enjoyed today's episode, give Fascinating Frontiers a listen. The most fascinating news from space and science. You can explore the whole lineup at neuronetwork.com. This episode used AI voice synthesis of my voice. Editorial selection and analysis are my own.